Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Finad with Vikram. In today's video, we'll understand why is Indian market drastically falling. If you could see, Sensex has fallen from 85,000 to 73,200 since last October. Let's try to understand the primary reasons behind that. First and foremost reason is foreign institutional investors selling. Foreign institutional investors have sold 1.3 lakh crore in just last 2 months, and they have sold over 3 lakh crores since October 2024. So why are foreign institutions selling? Let's deep down into that. Point number one is stretched Indian stocks valuation. If you could see, the Indian stocks have been rallying since last 3 years, and it's time for correction. Second point is the leadership of Donald Trump. They believe that American market is more lucrative in the leadership of Donald Trump, and that's the reason they are selling it off in India and buying there in US. Third important reason is the recent tariff war. Foreign institutional investors think that the recent tariff war can actually negatively impact Indian market, and they just want to restrain from buying more stocks there. Going forward, uh, if we have to understand what other reasons of Indian market fall is the quarter three company earnings. The quarter three company earnings of Indian sectors have been not that great. If you talk about BFSI, they have posted 2% loss. IT sector has posted just 2.6% profit, and oil and gas sector has posted 18% loss. So if you could see, the profits have not that been great, and of course you could see the impact in our stock market. Now, the last reason that we think is why it is falling is because of the weakening rupee. Now, you would be thinking why weakening rupee is one of the reason. Weakening rupee actually directly impacts the companies who are dependent on importing. The companies that import raw materials and have foreign borrowings, their profitability decreases. And of course, that impact you could see in their stocks. Also, the higher interest rates persist, and they actually are expected to dampen private consumption and investment in the initial months of 2025. So these were the reasons why we are seeing a great fall. Now, you being a mutual fund investor or a stock investor, what should be your next steps? Mutual funds are for long term, so do not panic and do not sell. If you sell, you actually put up a permanent loss for yourself. This is market corrections are always an opportunity to buy. You should average out your portfolio buying more. Okay. Now, what should your new investment do? So we predominantly feel that for the coming 1 year, uh, large and mid stocks are should be one of the priority. The second priority could be asset allocators funds, and the third priority could be aggressive hybrid funds. So if you are buying these funds, I think you will be sitting at decent profits in the coming months. So this is all we had for today's video. Thanks for watching. Happy investing.